I am Sunil. Today we are going to see the third experiment of the computer networking. The topic of the exercise is simulation of a DHCP, HTTP, and DNS server. The aim of the experiment we are going to see is to identify and the stimulation of DHCP, HTTP, and DNS servers. First, we're going to build up the block diagram of the network. There is six PC connected to the to the server, and there is a four single router and three servers. Um, DHCP server. DHCP server stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol Server. It works in DORA, which means D for discover, O for offer, R for request, and A for acknowledgement. The First we're going to see the procedure to get the automatic IP address. The first step we're going to see is to go to the DHCP server. Step them in configure to move DCP and DSP switch on. In step 3, give default gateway, example 92.168.2. Give the default DNS service as a 2.9. The step 5 we're going to see is start the IP address from 2.11. Step 6, maximum number of users 50, and then save. Then check in desktop IP address in DCHP. And request will successfully and displayed. Now we are moving on to HTTP servers. HTTP server stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. First, request reply. The procedure we are going to see is the first procedure in a HTTP server. Step 1. In the settings, change the display HTTP server. First, we are going to change the name of the server HTTP. In HTTP, change the name as Networking Lab. Then click PC. You will see the name displayed. See, the name is displayed as color blue Networking Lab. Next, we are going to see the DNS servers. DNS stands for Domain Names System. In this, we are going to see that procedure. Step 1, add a switch and a two PCs and a server with the display name DHCP, HTTP, and DNS server. In step 2, then give the IP address to the above servers as per instructions used in other servers. Now go to the PCs, switch on the DHCP, the given IP address, subnet mask, gateway, secondary product. Okay, and PC6, sixth PC. You're going to get that given IP switch on of the DHCP IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. In DNS server, in, uh, after we get into the DNS server, first switch on a DNS service, and, and then just save. DNS server. Um, Now going to see the file name index.html. To start the router, sorry, DNS is going to join the DNS server. Add the file name index address. Instead, we go to the router and following commands. Commands router. We are in a user mode. Router enabled. Router step. We are in a privileged mode. The next command we're going to see is router configure. Configure terminal. Configure terminal. We are in a config mode. Router config /int ff version 4.0. We go to get the IP address, router config IP address to get the IP address. The required IP address is on 192.168.2.1. The subnet mask is 225.225.2.0. To delete the wrong IP address, no IP address command is used to delete the IP address. Router config, no shutdown to put the port up and suddenly router change the color into green. The router show IP route to show the IP route. Router start the IP address. Run shows the status of the router. There are several commands. Here we can check the commands we given. Thanks for watching.